Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, all I'm going to advise you, Banyana Baka, is that please be careful with your wombs, because there are men out there who want to prove how ready they are for marriage through your wombs. Not Umusamsela who advising Unwandle to impregnate a woman first before getting pregnant. I guess impregnating a woman is going to show Umatsele how ready Unwandle is to get married. Now, this was when Umusa was having a conversation with both Unwandle and Umpumelelo, and he was basically saying to Unwandle, can you see uba Umpumelelo uzmisele ngezinto zomtshato, so now Unwandle follow along. I don't get it why Umusa keeps putting pressure on Unwandle, because me myself, I am not even close to Unwandle. Ngimbukela le at TV, but I can see myself ukuthi hayi but this one is not ready to be indoda, to be in togo, to be a head of a home. But Umusa just keeps putting pressure on this child. Then he says, ngiyamazi ukuthi uMatsele is not going to agree to you getting married. Ngiyamazi umawakho. So what you must do it strategically. Impregnate a girl, and because the girl will be impregnated, and you know, we've got a rule of we marry the woman that we impregnate, because who are you leaving that child, or who are you leaving that woman for? So then you'd be forced to marry the mother of that child. Umpumelelo, guys, even Apaule Umpumelelo. You must know when Umpumelelo objects what Umusa saying, go bad. Umpumelelo then says, ay, Baba, Luantle, don't do that. Luantle, look at me, how I'm suffering. I don't want you to go through the whole baby mama saga and whatnot. Get married first and then have a child. Guys, hayi Musa, hayi undisappointed. And you can see akadlali serious ngale ndaba. But what I like about Unwandle is so nonchalant, guys. He doesn't care about my trends, about my pressure and whatnot. If he doesn't want to do it, he's not gonna do it. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.